You are. I do hope that you can join me in appreciating this truly beautiful evening, a night that is absolutely ideal for a game of football. The scenes here really are something, a beautiful picture under the floodlights, traffic and transport wrap. Big chance! Goal! Republic of Korea!
Well, right from the first whistle, they've played with an energy that makes them good value for that early goal.
Oh, beautifully dispatched. There was no reaching that.
He had the whole picture in his head, Peter. He didn't even look at the goalkeeper.
It is a super start. So far, so very good. Always onto this. He's got a side of goal. Oh, screamer! A finish right from the top draw. They have heard the starter's pistol and come racing out of the blocks.
Well, there's always a chance of being caught like that when you surrender the football.
So that's two now without reply.
Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous spell for them, and they're starting to look unstoppable. There could be more on the way.
He is through here. Oh, he's enjoyed that. He evidently loves the contest. Spread out to the left. Played back in. Real chance! And it's there! And they're at it again in double quick time. And that is about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
Well, Peter, I think the keeper knew straight away he was never going to get to it.
3-0, and things are starting to look awfully cosy.
Well, that's really winded the opposition. You can see their manager screaming on the touchline, telling his team to calm down. But they'll need to do that pretty quickly. It's composure from here.
And here's Son Heung-min. Can he finish? Oh, that's a waste.
South Korea were again presented with an opportunity to break and look very, very threatening.
And here's Son Heung-min. Son Heung-min! He has done it! Hot knife through butter. They have done it again. And that is fabulous. A true beauty of a goal.
You know, I'm not going to be hard on the goalkeeper because that moved all over the place on its journey.
The goal score for South Korea after 26 minutes.
Things looking so easy, almost too easy here.
Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even...
And the shot! Sticks it away! And again, they simply do not know what has hit them.
Well, I think we've reached the point when even damage limitations is no longer an option.
South Korea totally rampant here.
No doubt as to who has the momentum here now. The only doubt is how many is coming.
Well, he is the type of character who rises to this sort of challenge, and he will be back for more. He's got away. Some terrific running on the ball there. Those efforts are not going unappreciated. Too much on it, and that's the keeper's. Moved on forwards. Oh, here's a chance! Oh, denied at the last.
OK, it's come to nothing, but it's a warning of further threat on the break.
And we have our very first corner. Lee Kang-in goes... Decent chance! It's loose now. And the follow-up! And he couldn't quite make it 6.
Oh, he was first to react, and I love that part of it. The reaction was great, and he almost profited, you know.
There will be 3 minutes added time.
Out to the right. That's a throw. And he's quick to get it clear again. And that is going to be the final action of the first half. Well, what a half. For one, pretty much ideal. For the other, utterly dreadful. And we're only halfway through.
South Korea have been more or less perfect, I would say. Their manager's all smiles, and he's got every reason to be.
South Korea utterly dominant in the first 45 minutes, scoring at will. Well, the action has already resumed here. Changes made by neither side, from what we understand. Hits one!
Well, he got rid because he was under pressure.
Has a shot! Oh, the ball's come loose here. He'll try to keep this alive. Up to meet it! No, that's just wide.
Oh, no, that was a chance. What a chance.
Pressure already building up here. It's an inviting looking ball, that. Just about up to the hour now. Lee Kang-in. Now it's Son Heung-min. Looks for the finish. Played out to the right. He's in plenty of space here.
That's just playing it safe and simple.
He's through here. Son Heung-min. Decent hit! Really well taken goal. How many? Just how many? The golf in class is vast.
Well, it's a goal fest, and the fact it's so one-sided now is getting scary.
Clinical, just clinical. What a game this is turning out to be for him.
Oh, he's been unstoppable in this match every single time.
It's Son Heung-min! Couldn't keep it on target.
Well, he did get himself into a good position, something for him to cling to.
Out to the left it goes. Now that looks a decent ball. Played out towards the right wing. Spread neatly.
Oh, that's such a good run. More of that, please.
In with a header! And yes, it's there! And this is getting ridiculous. Borderline crazy.
Yeah, it has become ugly for one, but the other is still delivering beauty.
And with that, the hat-trick is complete.
This is frightening football. He has increased defensive fear on the way to that hat-trick. Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even more damage here.
And the finish! They've scored! And it adds further to a heavily one-sided scoreline. This is getting punishing.
It's a mass exodus now. Certain sections of the stadium are leaving in droves, and you can't blame them. Well, that's really winded the opposition.
Can he finish? He's put it wide.
There will be 5 minutes added time.
Just seeing the board now, it's going to be 5 extra minutes. Oh, good spread. Just too much on that. Can he latch on to this? And that will be the final act. South Korea, comfortable winners, a virtuoso display, utterly one-sided. How would you sum up